Hello, I am Shreya Batla, course name BIS 104, Customer Experience Management, Assessment 3, Customer Experience Strategy Recommendations. It is an individual presentation and my chosen topic is Nykaa Your Beauty or Passion. Today I would like to talk about Nykaa's Customer Experience Strategy. Introduction. Nykaa is a beauty retailing company having a wide range of beauty products and skincare products. It was launched by Falguni Nair in 2012. Currently, Nykaa sells products approximately 60,000 beauty products of different brands all over the world. It sells products like cosmetics and wellness through its website and offline stores. It has various top brands such as MAC, Bobbi Brown, and Calvin Klein. It provides premium to those who want professional beauty products and facilities. The main aim of my presentation is to explain the different strategies and policies which help customer towards company and also provide various recommendations by using CEM theories and concepts. This is a relevant representation topic and this company competes in fashion and in beauty industry. It gave its services to consumer from 2012. Research finding analysis. Nykaa is an omni-channel beauty retailing platform which provides quality products and services to everyone in the world. Nykaa allow their customers to give review in their official website review section. Every review is depend on the product and services that customer get from the organization, whether it's positive or negative. Nykaa is the largest beauty retailer in India, but as per industry estimate, they have 33% shares in market. Customers who like to spend a lot money on beauty products, Nykaa provide them premium membership in which they provide professional services and products directly through their mobile application. These are some social media reviews. Social media review of Cassidy and a negative review of bad delivery service. Purpose and support your CEM recommendations. How the organization can customize its services and products. Nykaa needs to improve its products and services if they want to enhance more customer experience. More customer experience help organization to increase profit and sale. These are some examples of activities which help organization to improve its services. First point is all employees must train. It means every employee in the organization must to know each and everything about their product and services in order to work effectively. Sales promotion and discounts. Company should provide sales offers and discount to their customer which attract more customer and earn more profit with more sale. Third point is creative advertising. A well-designed advertising can grab more audience attention and a creative advertisement help business to attract more customer. Trial period for premium membership. Company should allowing free trial period to customers to use their premium membership. How the organization could become more customer centric. In a world today, customer expectations and demands are changing and also company is growing fast. Companies are in so much pressure to become more customer centric. For this company, it is important to improve their services and products, become more customer centric as they have many loyal customers who use their products and watch latest updates on regular basis. Loyal and happy customers can generate up to into 3 profit or of new customers. If company want to become more customer centric, they should use IDIC model that I further explain. The viewpoint of customer when making decision. Every customer centric organization should make every decision according to their customer needs and wants. Second point is creating process. In the process, customer centricity strategies, organizational process, and information structure is used, and with the help of it, organization could become more customer centric. Defining expected behavior and developing strategies. Organizational should use improving and developing strategies which help to attract more loyal customers and increase customer experience. The IDIC model, the full form of IDIC model is identify, differentiate, interact, and customize, managing customer relationship. In order to managing customer relationship and best practice of customer experience, the company must identify their customer, differentiate them, interact with them, and customize behavior towards them. This model is broken into two broad categories of activities: customer insight and customer experience. Four implementation tasks are identify, differentiate, interact, and customize. Identify. Many companies collect data about their identities as their records. Every customer has its own unique individual identity, which help business in recognizing if customer visit their organization again. Differentiate by value, behavior, and needs. Every customer is different by their value, behavior, and needs. The customer needs drive behavior. Every customer has its own unique identity. Company differentiate their customer by both value to the firm and what needs they have. Interact with the customers. If company can interact with the more customers, then they know about their needs and wants and don't waste the time by asking them same question. It is a more cost efficient. Customized treatment. Company should create customer experience on individuals' needs and values to make easy and more relevant to their customers. How the organization could prepare better for the future of customer experience management. Renovations. Organizations should do renovations for customers and ensure they innovate their zone which look perfect and creative and impressive. They should give better customer service to their customers, and continuous improvement makes it better for the future of customer experience management. This is the customer journey map. It includes physical evidence, customer actions, on-stage contact actions, backstage contact actions, and support processes. Physical evidence are website, retail location, product description, payment, and product delivery. The business model canvas. It includes key partners, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationships, customer segments, channels, cost structure, and revenue streams. Conclusion. In this presentation, customer experience plays a very essential role to increase the brand loyalty and the product sale of Nykaa. If company want more customer experience, they should provide products and services as per the needs and wants of customers. The customer journey map and the business model canvas help a business to customize their services as per the customer needs. Feedback also help business for future. These are the references. Thank you.